In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix not enough guests in Waterpark Simulator. So if you're also having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So if you're stuck, let's say at maybe 6-7 guests maximum and you don't get any more sometimes, well there is actually a way to fix it. Most likely you will need to actually go to your staff right here where the person or you sell the tickets here. You need to then click on flyer. And you need to actually grab the flyers here, and you need to then go out and hand flyers to some people right here. So let's say this one, okay, they actually already want it. So here is another one, and here's another one. So you will do this a couple of times to random people, and they will for sure eventually come to your park. And there is also one other thing you can do, by the way, and that is to get a marketing poster here. So they cost $100, and I believe that I've already set most of them up. Yeah, so I don't think I can set it up anymore. But you can see this as an example. You can actually set those in trees here, and this is my water park poster here actually. So you can actually set it up after a while when you're able to unlock them. I believe you unlock them here at the research table here. Let's see if I can find it once again. It's called like marketing posters or something similar to that. You should be able to, maybe it's under park here actually. Let's see. Well, it's not really showing up here, but I remember I unlocked it here somehow for sure. So yeah, just basically look for it, look for marketing poster, unlock here, and you can also eventually actually start setting up marketing posters, and that will most likely fix your issue that you don't have enough guests. As you can see, there's quite a lot now, but yeah, basically that is exactly how to fix it.